Huh? I am Sergeant Major Ogden. Today, how to get on top of the Epicenter buildings in Battlefield 3. Come with me as I show you how to blow up a van till you can fly.
You can make any Battlefield 3 vehicle, quote-unquote, fly by detonating a large amount of explosives underneath it. We recommend using at least 2 people, an engineer and a support. The key to this trick is the fact that the engineer's mines do not disappear after his death. The engineer will lay down 6 mines, commit suicide, and spawn on his teammate as a support. He will then lay down 6 C4. The more explosives you can stuff under the vehicle, the higher it will go depending on how armored the vehicle is. In our video, both squad members laid down 6 mines and 6 C4. You can do this with as many people as you have in your squad. Once the explosives are placed, drive the vehicle over the explosives, stay in the driver's seat, and have your teammate toss a grenade below the vehicle. Note, this will only work on servers with friendly fire turned off. Otherwise, the explosives will kill you.
It don't make any physical sense, but it's a video game. What do you expect? I am Sergeant Major Ogden, and you are dismissed!